Hello everybody, it's Marina. I just wanted to show you guys what I got in my giveaway prize from Heather, which I'm sure you already know, but I'm really excited. So I want to show you guys and create a look with it because I know I got one of the things I really wanted for a little while now, and yeah, let's get into it, okay? So everything comes in this cute Shop Miss A bag with these eyelashes on it. Ooh. And inside there's two Shop Miss A blenders, which I did order some stuff from Shop Miss A, but I don't think that I got any beauty blenders, so I'm really excited to try these out. This one's like a beveled one, and this one's just your regular teardrop. So this is what this guy looks like. My camera's not focusing. And also, ooh, this is so soft. This teardrop one. So I keep all of my sponges in this old candle container that I had and cleaned out. So I don't think there's much room left for these guys, so I'll keep them in the packaging for now. Where am I gonna put them? What to do? I guess I just have to finish burning up my... What candle is it? Ooh, I don't even remember. Let's go see. So I'll have to finish burning up my green bamboo candle from Avon, clean it out and put it in here. So there was like a fly in here the other day, and I guess he's trapped now. Poor little guy. But it shouldn't have been in my house, so ha! My own little 2-in-1 fly trap and candle. So I will do that. I need to go to White Barn, well, Bath and Body Works, and get another cactus bloom candle. I love that one. It was so good. There was also one I had. It was purple. I can't recall what it was what the name of it was. Yeah, I can't remember. So I did get a Starlooks eyeliner in the shade Cosmic, but I did get this in my BoxyCharm last month, so I will set it aside to see if my mom wants it or for a future giveaway. Oh, how cute. And I did get this cute little highlighter, The Bomb, which I want to put some of this on right now. Ooh. Cute. Ah. Oh, I love that. Oh, it's so pretty. Ah! Cute. Thank you so much, Heather. I did get a City Limits Lush eyeshadow. Haven't seen this before. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Honestly, I don't remember what she said was in these, so I thought, oh, this is cute. Well, it's in an IBY cute little container. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Ooh. Wow, that's beautiful. Cool. Ha ha ha! Oh, I need a makeup wipe now. Uno momento, por favor. Oh no! Well, I just dropped this out of my makeup drawer and it seems fine, so good job on the packaging. Alright, we're wiping that off. Put that back in there. Throwing away that container. And then I got a If you can't laugh at yourself, what are you doing in life, right? Good thing I'm a pretty good person to laugh at. Sugar Bunny Heavenly Lip Scrub. I'll open up that later when I'm ready to scrub my lips. No, I lied. I'm a liar. I'm gonna open it now. There's a seal on it for protection. Good job. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I almost dropped it. It smells like green apple, which I was expecting more of a minty smell to it. Can I just sit here and smell this all day? So yummy. And then, the thing I am dying to open. I'm so excited for this. The ColourPop Make Up Your Mind palette. I'm so excited! So there it is on the back. It's got the shade names and on the back of the palette as well. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I'm so excited. Ah. Here it is. It's so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch them all for you. So here are the shades, and in order they are, oh, maybe I should put my glasses on because I'm a blind bat. Alright. Over It, Toasted, Inside Out, BRB, Forever Young, and Lock and Key. So I do have my BoxyCharm makeup on, and besides that highlighter, so I do want to go ahead and add Inside Out and Over It to my lid because, oh God, they're so pretty. So I'm gonna go in with Inside Out. Oh, there's no mirror on it. Well, I already hate that, but it's okay. I got a mirror. There's no mirror in that either. I'm going in with my mirror over to the shade. Uno momento, por favors. Oh, wait, damn it. Oh, wait. God, where is my mind today? I've lost my mind. So I'm gonna go in with the inner corner with Over It. Ooh, that's so pretty! It's so pretty! Alrighty. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference on camera, but I think it's beautiful. It adds that extra pop of orange in there, which, if you guys didn't know, orange is my favorite color. And then with purple, I love orange and purple together, which, best believe I'm gonna do a look with orange and purple soon. Oh my gosh, I'm talking about purple and I just dipped into the purple. That's not what I meant to dip into. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques brush, and we're gonna go in with, so that was Inside Out we just did, and now I'm gonna go in with Over It, which is the dark brown color. So that's Inside Out, and that's Over It. Go in with this guy. Alright, you ready for this? Alright, and then I'm going to go back in with Inside Out and retouch up what I kind of overlined with Over It. Okay guys, I I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Heather, for doing this giveaway. I'm so grateful that I was picked. I will put this Starlooks Cosmic Eyeliner into a giveaway if my mom does not want it, since I already have one. Oh, I already got eyeshadow on my eyelash bag. So I guess that means it's officially broken in, huh? Thank you so much again, Heather. I appreciate everything that you're doing. I love your channel. Keep up the great work. If you're not already, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I've got a lot more ideas and stuff coming soon. If there's anything in particular you guys would like to see me do, leave a comment down below. I was thinking about doing a vanity tour and showing you guys what's on my table, because I do create I do paint cans and decorate them and create my own brush holders. Here's one that I made. Thought that was kind of cute. So I made this one and this, and then I have a couple pencil holders on my desk. If you guys would like to see me make a video on how I create those holders, let me know. I was thinking about doing some more, but I wasn't sure if I should film them or not. So let me know if you guys would like to see a video on that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Turn! Yeah. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Okay. The silver seems to be spinning in the pan, but that's okay. Whoa, that's a very nice silver. Alright. Throw that. That was a really bad throw. Throw that package away. Hello. Is that weird? That was really weird. Should have filled in my eyebrows today. Meh. Whatevs.